Maybe you've had a few too many tickets, some bad luck with fender benders, or maybe there's someone else in your family whose driving record leaves a lot to be desired. So what do you do when your insurance company gives you the boot? Cura's Eric Poe has some advice. So Eric, thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
We're going to get inside your head and find out all about car insurance. So what do insurance companies consider when they're getting ready to pull the plug on someone?
Well, I mean, typically insurance companies will always look at what your driving record has been. So if you've obviously gotten into a lot of accidents or tickets, but most recently, because of the use of credit scores and education and occupation, a lot of insurance companies will actually charge you more at renewal because you have a worse credit score. Or they might actually non-renew you when they put all those factors together.
So say someone has a fantastic job, clean driving record, but unfortunately, with the economy being as it is, they lose their job. So that could affect their insurance.
Yeah, I mean, it definitely factors in how they determine whether they're going to non-renew you. So if you've had like an accident and your credit score plummets, that might actually change how they're rating you, and they may say that you're a bad risk and non-renew you at that time.
Wow. What should someone do if they receive a non-renewal or cancellation notice on their insurance?
Well, I mean, I always urge everybody, call your insurance company, because at the end of the day, even though they're these big, huge insurance companies, they are run by people, so people make decisions. So you might be able to change the mind of an underwriter and say, listen, I've been with you for 5 years, I've been with you for 10 years, and this is the first accident I've ever had, or I've lost my job. Can you reconsider me?
But it could be scary, getting on the phone with them. I mean, it is, it's intimidating. Say that you're in an accident. It just happened, and how do you decide if you go through your insurance carrier or if you just try and foot the bill yourself?
Well, I mean, one of the things you should look at is how big is the claim. So if the claim's a fender bender and you're talking about $1,000 and your deductible is $500, you want to find out if that $500 your insurance company is going to pay out really allows them to charge you more money and consider it a chargeable accident. Because depending on what state you're in, for example, Pennsylvania, if your insurance company doesn't pay out over $1,000, they can't even raise your rates because of an accident. Oh. So you might want to actually file your claim with your insurance company because they can't raise your rates because of that accident.
Okay, well, say I put too many claims on, or for whatever reason they decide to go ahead and pull the plug on my policy. How much notice do insurance companies give you before they cancel your insurance?
Well, they give you notice for non-renewal 60 days in both states of New Jersey and Pennsylvania. So they have to let you know that they're going to non-renew you 60 days in advance. But if they're going to cancel you because of non-payment, let's say you failed to make a payment, they only have to give you 15 days notice.
Eric, thanks so much for being with us. For more information on auto insurance options, go to Cura.com. I'm Megan Gunning, and Better Philly will be right back.